Okay, we are in Sumber Mas motor right now. We will be changing the tire behind, changing the behind tire of this motorcycle. Okay, this is how to take off the tire from the motorcycle. Yeah, there's the middle S. Okay, I took off the brake system, brake pad, and bring to the engine that take off the tire from the rims. Okay, I think the tire is rather hard because of too long not to be changes. Okay, put in the engine. Okay, this is what they do to loose around the tire with some soap to make it easy to loose. They push around the tire so hard because it's old tire. They're using a crank bar to put the tire into the releaser machine. Yeah, still pushing. Okay, this is open, the tire is open. Yeah, going up easily, and then they will release. Take the tube tire. They will release the crank bar first. Let's take off the tube tire. The crank bars pop off. Nah, tube tire has been set out from the tire and rims. They're stuck in there. Okay, took off clearly. Boom. Okay, next take off the outside tire from the rims. They settle well. Okay, engine running. Okay, rather hard to make it. Yeah, completely take off from the rims. Awesome. And then that's the new tire FDR. been opened. Okay, and the new tire put into the rims. This is a tubeless tire, tubeless, so the tire doesn't use a tube like before. It has its own exhaust is on the rim separately because this is a tubeless. Like that. Okay. Let it tighten first. Finish. Now put the tire onto the rims. Don't forget about the rotation. The mechanic saw the rotation. That's why he turning over the tire. Put some soap to make it easier to get into the rims in the two sides. Now the tire ready to put in the rims. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so easy because the tire is brand new. Changing rails, so it will get into the rims perfectly, fitly. Okay, good. Finish. Open the engine. Okay, loose up the tire. Okay, good. Now the tire will pop up with the air. And then the tire will be checked first. Okay, and every round is okay. Give the soap to check the air nozzle. Air nozzle is good. And then we set back the tire into the motorcycle. Okay, they put the ring, the middle S together. The chain, don't forget the chain, because the engine transfer his energy to the chain to back tire. Okay, like this. Yeah. Set the rear brake. Checking the tire if the balance or not. Checking the chain. Checking again if everything okay. Okay, set again. Nice. Chain is okay, I think. Brake tested. Is there too tight or too wide, too deep? Done.
Maybe you wanna see the details of the tire like this.
Tire.
And the side have like this. Okay. See this? Wow. Any rotation in here? No, the production code made in Indonesia, FDR. Okay. And this is kinetic design technology. Okay. And here you can see the size 44p 7m 80/90 Femuno Pro, FDR Femuno Pro. Okay, nice. FDR.
Okay, this is the check. Thank you for watching.